KMFW Worldwide, James Watson. This is General Tire Coffee Talk, Kissimmee, Florida, with these two guys. Man, is it hot down here or what?
Steamy.
It's hot.
Is this as hot back home from Alabama where you guys are from?
No, Texas, no.
No, not this humid. It's hot, but this is hot and humid. It's
Texas.
like a jungle.
Yeah, this melts trees. It's so humid out here.
You're not from Texas, you live in Alabama.
I'm from Texas. Oh,
No,
yeah.
you
No,
don't.
I actually am from Texas.
We relocated.
Yeah.
Well, folks, I got Matt and Jordan here, two famous brothers of bass fishing. And they're doing well in this tournament. Me, not so good, but I figured I'd get these two together. We'll talk a little bit about family history and what it was like. You guys going to college and fishing. I watch you guys on college fishing. You've aged a lot. You maintain your.
You're all right.
You're doing just fine, but you've aged a lot, Jordan.
I was there, I think, at the first college tournament ever. Pretty sure I was.
Was you?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
Good deal. Look what your degrees got you.
Yep.
Nothing.
It got me on the same table with you, Worldwide.
It did?
Yeah, that's even worse than nothing.
That's below nothing.
You know, this week I finally inched him out on the weight yesterday in the tournament. Yeah.
You did.
Yeah,
I
by
saw
an
that.
ounce.
Yeah.
A win's
I told
a
him
win.
as soon as he took out, I got you. Might have been for one day, but I got you.
A win is a win in
I'll
my book.
take it.
1 ounce or 1 pound or
I'll take it.
100.
Did I get
it
a
don't
trophy
matter.
for that?
I'll make you a trophy of
Thank
that.
you.
I mean, after all, look, I got my own table.
You get stuff done. Ain't
Yeah,
gonna lie.
ain't gonna lie either. Because lying don't get you anywhere except in a bad place.
Yeah.
It does, and then you got to remember what you lied about, so it's even worse.
That's true. So talking about lies, tell me growing up together, what did you guys do to each other that got each other in trouble?
Well, I mean, I'm the older one, of course.
Yes.
And, you know, Jordan here, he didn't start growing till later on. You know, he was one of those late bloomers, kind of like freshman, sophomore year of high school.
Poor little fella.
So he was real, you know, he was pushing probably, you know, 5'3", $130 for a long time.
Not
So I
even
picked
looking
on
at a
him.
razor yet.
Yeah. I played baseball, and you know, he was itty bitty tiny. He decided to take up fishing early on, and he really just, I mean, Jordan, you can tell him yourself, but
You
he
can't
got
tell us,
into it
Jordan.
about
Don't
junior
let
year
your
of high
brother-
school. You
Don't
know?
let your brother dog you out.
But I
like
will
it.
say, you know, he's one of the most talented there is, no doubt.
That's right.
No doubt.
You have a lot of talent. You have a lot of trophies. A lot more
Yeah.
trophies than you and me put together.
Hey, yeah.
So we don't want to
Except for
take
the
that.
ones we make ourselves.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. I can make a trophy. But you, Jordan, are something special. 2-time Bassmaster Classic champion. Back to back.
Yeah, it wasn't me, but
What do you mean?
we share a name, and we might be brothers from another mother, kind of like me and you, but
What are you talking about? You two or me?
yeah, the only thing I remember about him was when he was, I think I was probably in college when he was born.
I don't
He's
know
older
about
than
that.
you are.
I know he said that. I think we're mistaken here. I'm trying to get the story straight. It's kind of like,
This is my show. Let me do the story. You just
okay,
you
tag
just
along.
Look pretty.
Okay.
I need you to be here to look good and be Jordan. All
Now
right.
my brother's not even claiming.
Not even claiming you.
Yeah. One
Not-
day I
So
beat
it's a
him, and
disclaimer.
he's done.
He just
One
puts
day.
his nose up in the
Well,
air
yeah,
to us.
he's over.
Yeah, I
Threw him
thought
into
he
the
was going to
wolves.
no-show us,
Yeah.
to be honest with
Yeah.
you. But I'm glad you're here.
Well, thank you. That makes me
But
feel good.
we're honored to have you here. I am. I know your brother has to put up with you all the time.
His time's
But
precious.
His time is
Worth
I'm
more than
precious.
ours.
I'm very surprised he's not working on lures right now of some
Yeah.
sort, tying
So
up some new
what
ones.
size was I when I was in high school again?
5'3".
Started out, you know, it was real slow growth, and then, you know, I was this big in 8th grade. You know, it was done.
Very muscular.
Ladies man.
Very muscular.
I don't know. Not muscular, just short. You know,
I've
when your
noticed.
arms are not but 10 inches long, it looks muscular. You know, but it's
Were
just,
you just like you had no biceps and just forearms?
I'm-
I mean, were
you
you like a
you shoot a bow.
Tyrannosaurus Rex? Like,
You shoot a bow, like a compound bow.
No, I don't have time for that.
You
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure my draw length is like 27 inches. You wouldn't know what that
yeah,
is, but
that
I was
seems,
like,
that
I'm
seems
like,
like a lot to me.
32's long, 27's pretty short.
Yeah, 27's like-
that seems both are extremely long to me.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a lot. That's like 2 foot.
I'm done.
So Matt, what's
Yeah.
your first recollection of when I just put it to you fishing? Just made you put you in the cheap seats in the back, and you figured out
Some family
the
trash talk
real
going
deal.
on here.
Who's wearing the pants here in the
Well,
fishing
it
world.
just kind of gradually came on as the years went, through college. And then, I actually beat you to get in the classic first.
I remember that. I saw that on TV.
Yeah. And then
Well,
went,
I'll let you let.
and then
I
went
think
to,
I'll let you win as a respect to my elder brother.
Well, it is what it is. Then went to Grand.
Take it away you can get
and
any way you can get it, right?
folded like a chair at Grand in my first classic. And then you went and went to Gunnersville and almost won it.
Yeah.
And then it was it's kind of downhill from there. Yeah.
Well, look, I don't want to get you two siblings fighting against
He's
each
a lot
other.
bigger now than he was.
Yeah, he's all grown up now.
Hey,
all
the
grown
Wheaties,
up.
man, what can I say? You know, it helps.
It is. You got a lot more hair than Matt's got too.
Let's see your hair.
I'm
Let's
older.
Go. Let's see.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, yeah. Well, you like the aerodynamic haircut. I do.
I do as well. You ain't got
Well,
it. Just
they
cut it
say
off.
baldness is from the mother's side, so how come I got hair and you don't?
Oh,
I don't know. And yours has always been a little thick ever since you were a little tot.
This is happening right here on my show. This is getting ugly. I did not mean to turn brother against brother.
Oh no!
Let's
no.
talk about.
We talk about this all the time.
Yeah.
This is
okay.
normal.
This is normal.
Don't you have a brother?
When he tries to throw
I
me in the
do.
koi pond back there, then it
Yes.
starts to get a little too much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about your sister Kelly Lee.
My-
Kelly Lee.
Yeah.
Kelly Lee.
She's from the
Do you-
same parents.
Do you have a
this is-
sister named Kelly Lee? I don't, maybe not. I might be confused
Yeah, I
about
think
this
you're
whole
you're missing
lineage
that
deal
Yeah.
going on.
Yeah.
I mean, what's that?
Ancestry.com?
That one.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking for.
Mm-hmm.
You guys might ought to look into that. Now, me, I don't want anybody tracking me.
What's your background? Is it Irish?
Both.
I would guess
Little
Irish.
both.
Irish? I would.
Both.
Irish, don't you think?
I said both.
You don't
Now,
have
one thing's
red
for
hair.
fact. You can hear all right, and your brother cannot hear very good.
No, he's deaf.
All right,
He's
they
been
can come
deaf,
up
yeah.
schooling behind them and go, maybe that's why you caught more fish, because you can hear him schooling better than he can hear him schooling. I don't
Yeah,
know.
you got to be a little perceptive
Yeah.
on the deal. It is. Everybody has their faults.
They
lackings.
do. They do. So what's your favorite technique fishing? Go, Matt.
Favorite technique's probably frogging or flipping.
Frogging or flipping.
That's male ego, short string flipping or throwing a frog. Growing up on Gunnersville, like we both did, that was a big thing growing up, and that was
That's
fun
kind
to
of
do.
I would call that my General Tire moment right there, because anywhere is possible when you're flipping and frogging.
That's correct.
Boom, how you like I played that in?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That wasn't even
Good.
written down on your phone.
No, I didn't even. I'm not even looking at my script.
Yeah.
What about you?
Well, typically,
Jordan?
since we are brothers and we, spend a lot
You
of time
keep
around
going
each
there,
other,
and I don't
just look
understand
right
that.
on his boat and I look
I
at
don't
what he's
understand.
throwing it, and that's what I know not to throw, because I know it's not
Opposite.
working at all.
Opposite.
And it's helped me throughout my career immensely. I can't even
Yes.
tell you.
Yeah.
That's
see.
my
That's your
General
technique.
Tire statement.
That is your anywhere is possible
Yeah, anywhere
statement.
I look on his
Yeah.
deck, you know exactly what not to
harsh.
throw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real hard.
There's a lot of stuff
Hey, man.
on that deck too.
There is. It's all spread out.
Yeah,
you
it's
have a lot to
everywhere.
look at.
A
So
lot to check off the
yes.
list.
So
Yeah.
some other famous Lees I've come up with: Uncle Robert
Yeah.
He-
and Aunt Sarah.
Aunt Sarah, yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
I bet the family time
Bruce, too.
and Bruce. I
Yeah.
forgot about Bruce.
Yeah, Bruce.
I bet Christmas around the Lee house is dynamite. Just dynamite.
Dynamic, I would say.
Dynamic.
Dynamic.
It's like that
Oh,
sponsor
yeah.
right there. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't
that
have
was
touched you.
that was
Shouldn't have
good.
touched
That's
you.
all right.
That was good.
I apologize. Oh, wait a second. Social distancing.
Where's that hand sanitizer?
Wait a second.
You think if you were trying to social distance,
You're
you would have
supposed
had a bigger
to.
table?
You're actually supposed to be right there, right over there.
Really?
I don't know what you're
Let me
laughing
see.
about, Jordan. You're supposed to be right over. This is 6 foot right
I
here.
hate, okay.
Now you'll get out of frame. No, that's 5 foot.
Yeah.
See, I knew you were bad with counting.
71
6 foot's right
inches
there.
right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
You're
right now, you guys
Yep.
are breaking the social distancing.
Anyways, Mr. Watson, what's your favorite
wait a
technique?
second. You really
Oh, okay,
got me all
right.
filibustered right now.
You feel better now?
Well, the social
Can I get a little
distancing.
squeeze of
Yeah,
that?
sure.
Yeah.
Here you go. This
You
is a
touch it.
General
Now
Tire.
the koozie is for what?
This is this is not a koozie. It's a General Tire hand sanitizer.
Ah,
It's right there. That's what I use all the time.
ouch.
Anyway,
How about these left-handed coffee mugs you
what
gave
are
us?
with the left-handed General Tire coffee mugs? I'm right-handed. I don't drink. So now I'm not getting any brand logo recognition when I'm drinking with my right hand.
Yeah.
And you drink with your left hand, you got to stick your pinky
And you
out.
should have got your coffee logo on the coffee mug.
Well, they
That
did
would have
put.
been super legit.
Now I know you're not as smart as your brother Jordan, but coffee's right here.
Oh, okay.
All right, coffee's right there. That's a dead
Gotcha.
giveaway. And I know we're empty and we're ready
Yeah.
for a refill.
Yeah.
Guys, this has been fun. I learned a lot about your lineage and about your family, and I really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
And I'm looking forward to fishing against you guys at the next tournament if they even allow me to show up.
Look forward to
I mean, I'll
seeing
fish that bad.
you. You'll be there.
He's laughing at me
You'll
because
be
he's so
there.
awesome.
I'll be your buddy.
I
You'll be
appreciate that. You are
We're
a
all
good
pulling
friend.
for you, man. You're worldwide.
You're a good friend. You're for real. You? Trying to figure you out. I'm gonna figure you out one of these days. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna
He's
get
talking
you.
about the
Get
crowd.
you.
I'm gonna get you. One of these days I'm gonna get you. All right, little feller. I'm James Worldwide Watson, and this has been the General Tire Coffee Talk. Whew, it's hot. Let's get done with this. I'm out.